This is a door lock situation prior to taking it apart. This is the driver's door. So that's fiber optic cable. Let's see, where is that fiber optic cable? That goes through that. And comes out to here. No, I didn't want that to pull out. Okay, I'll have to stick that back up. Anyhow, that fiber optic cable here just pulls out. The end of that, at least it did the other one. The other one's already out. Oh crap. That's got maybe there's, oh yeah, there's a connector, should be a connector on that. Pull that out. There we go. Okay, that's the fiber optic cable. I'm probably going to have to unwind all of this crap because that fiber optic cable just goes straight into that thing up there, right on that side. It's stuck in there on the other one. It doesn't look like there's a way to pull it out. It has to come out from this end. So, let's see. Where does this green and white go? Goes right there. Okay, cool. So I'll disconnect that green and white here. Pull that through. So that's got the fiber optic, that green and white, and everything going through that latch. Let me get this thing back up here. I'm going to probably have to put a new little latch on that. Let's see. That will pull through there. Once I get that thing out, and that comes out actually pretty easily, there's a cable strap down here on the bottom you have to take out so that all of that pulls through. Yeah, there's one right here too. So I'm going to put the phone down and undo those latches and get that cable up so I can pop that out. Okay. Those are taken loose. There's wire ties down there. There's one right here. And they all go down this tray right here. So this is all pull through. And this goes up to this. Now, this right here's got to come loose so that can come out. Now I've got to knock this retainer here. Once I knock that retainer that way, you can see it's connected around the side of it. So it's like a circlip. You just knock it that way and the tumbler will come out, and then I'll have to disconnect that guy up there, and it latches onto that wire or that cable thing the same way as this. So let me get what I use is a pair of channel locks and a little hammer. Grab that with the channel locks and then tap it with the hammer that way, and it'll come out. And then the tumbler, take your thumb or finger and push that, and it'll come out the hole on the other side with a little gasket. And all of this stuff, the wires and all of that stuff, will actually feed through that hole without any problem. Okay, I'm going to pull the door lock out. I'm reaching in here, pair of channel locks to grab that. Worked on the other side. Let's see. Tight quarters. Well, okay. Okay, I got a hold of it, but I can't get the hammer on it. If I can just push it. This side must be a little bit different configuration. Let's see if I can get it like this. There it is. Did that get it? Yeah. There's that. Now, this will just pull through. After I disconnect this wire from it, I can see how to disconnect the frickin' wire from it. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Let go. What are you hanging on? There we go. Okay. Now that's how you get that one out. And it doesn't have a connector on it that you can take out. Now this right here, this is the fiber optic, and it didn't work on this side. It may be a problem there. That fiber optic cable may be damaged in there. But there's that little latch that hooks onto that cable. Okay, let's get a baggie. Bag this up for the ones on this side, and then we'll come pull the handle off. I hope I can get that. I'm going to try and slip this retainer here. There it goes. That goes up. This comes out of that just like that. Now, these nuts in here, they look like 10 millimeter, but they're not. 11 millimeter will fit it. So it probably means it's something else. Something SAE. There's a mixture of metric and SAE on this car. Let's retrieve that. Let's see. I hope this is showing up. These are those little sheet metal nuts that are just annoying as crap to deal with. They use these things all over the inside of the door panels, holding the parts together too. Let's see. I hope that all of that stuff is coming loose. Yeah. That's these stupid things. Let me put it in my collection of parts here for the right door. Now, how does that release? There's a wire going to it. Looks like it should just come loose. Okay, that wire right there is just on like a speaker terminal. Yeah, that comes loose easily enough. Now, I'll see there's a tab in there that's got to come up. Got to find a small screwdriver to lift that tab up. Sorry this is taking me so long, but I'm learning. Can you see that little tab in there? Let me take this thing off. Let's see if I get the phone off that. Okay. Back to it. There's a tab right there that's got to come off. And I think I have to lift up that end of it, but it's got a little detent on it, and slide that off, and then I think that thing will pull off. I'm going to have to do this with one hand, so let me put this back up here on the stand. Okay, let's see if I can do this. This one end is out. Come on. There we go. Got it. Now I got to fish that other piece that was on the inside out. And there it is. This is a thing. It was hooking onto that so tight. And I've got another nut down here. There it is. Okay. All the pieces are found. Cool beans. Now we got to go do the other door.